Okay, I'll try this one.
That's it. Nice. Who else? And the Jaeger movement, that's what you should anyone in England can do this. That's the beauty of outdoor training. If you're in line. Perfect. The farther you go out, the harder it becomes. Yeah, there you go. Lads, everyone give it a go. See how you feel.
Sorry, but
Yes, there you go. Excellent for tricycle riding.
He's got other plans. This is not screw ball or touch of pass.
Okay guys, is everyone giving it a go? It's an excellent core exercise, yes. That's an excellent core exercise.
I think.
Yeah, there you go.
Are you okay? You know what I think? So this is.
Also got the. I wasn't quite expecting.
I'm sorry. I was going to do that.
It's quite easy to do.
No.
Come on. Do not stick.
Oops.
And 2, 3, last one, 4. Let's reverse it, other way around. 1.
Swapped already.
Is apart, you'll feel this in your shoulder, girdle. 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Change direction, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Now let's see how good your coordination is. Arms and rib cage. 1, 3, don't lock it. And now I want you to reverse it. You go forward, now you go down, lick the chocolate off the floor, and come back up. Yes, sir. Way forward. And now back to chocolate. Go down to chocolate.
those pelvic muscles. And deep inhale through the nose. And exhale forward. And another one. Keep on doing that with the arms and the breathing. And you're going to do your leg slides. So first you're going to start off with your right foot. You're going to straighten the leg, pushing with the heel. Keep it connected with the floor, but straightening that leg out on the exhale, and on the inhale you pull it back, and then the other leg. So to start with, arms up towards the ceiling. Now as you inhale, take your arms back towards the ears. And now, as you bring the arms back on the exhale, push them.
Is this all the people?
William, hurry up!
Okay, look at the fairy spin. We'll be on the dip. You're not going to join him? Oh, okay.
Can I set play?
What is this girl doing? What do we do? What kind of moving? What is I doing? And what do we saw?
That's bicep guy, that's bicep.
Okay, what are we working over here now?
Hey, I'll be back now.
Are you ready? Going? Doesn't matter, that's where we go. Pull up, there we go. Alright. Move on.
Woo, the adventure team.
Hey, my crack showing. No, and your pitch is pitched in. That kan lekker hoor. I think this thing needs a P20. Body weight to lift.
I love where is so. Dion.
Next Dion. I'm flipping.
I'm like that, you serious.
Move on. Well done.
Come, run for us, run.
I think it's quite easy actually.
Yeah, that
Put in that.
No, I don't. Actually, support. This is quite fun, actually. This is quite easy. It's like fun. It's like.
Why do you think that's
always had to play all this together. Always had to why? Like, a lot.
Woohoo! Look, Ma! No hands!
Good look.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's why.
There we go.
Yeah, no more push-ups. I had enough. Yeah! Whee!
Size must be fun.
You don't want a tall person partnering in this.
No, at least if you tear, you'll be in hospital together. How do you explain that one? Well, my friend and I, we were doing this stretch thing.
Fun, proper, enjoyable session. I'm not going to go to boot camp. You guys have done boot camp? Yeah. Do we have any injuries today? Shoulder, back, legs, nothing. Everybody medically fit? Hey, what's up? He's going to sprint to me. They're going to sprint back. They're going to touch the person's hand. They're going to sprint. When you finish running, you sit down with your hand on your head, okay? Okay. What we doing, the winning team, I'm offering personally for myself. You guys can have a complimentary session during the week whenever you want to come and train with me if you want to, right? This is a complimentary session. I want that session. And back, go. William. Please, let's go. Go, you big one. Let's go. Push.
Yeah, return.
Come. And return. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go, you can still win.
Turn. There we go, careful.
Turn.
That's it.
Go first. Go.
Come on, team. Come on. Swap. There's no one. I can't believe I have to carry the big one. Lift it up, man.
Oh, Richard.
Come. Let's go. Oh, yeah, well done. Okay, right, guys. Now we're doing something fun. We're going to do a wheelbarrow race. So, in partners, let's go. Wheelbarrow race. Nice, fun, easy. Working classes, bicycles.
Don't get jealous, Russell.
Hold for the back. No, sorry, for the
I have my watch there.
Go. Yeah, look at that, he's winning.
My fucking piano wordt koptrekken.
Right, let's go. As we can go, okay. We're only going to do 4, right? Okay, so take your time and explode up, alright? On my whistle. 1, 2, 3, go. Down and elevate. Nice. Down. Watch the knees, guys. Knees don't go over toes. What's your technique?
Technique? What's that?
Talk to me, Jordan.
Oh my god, here we are. Greenpoint Park, and I am having the most amazing time right now. You gotta revive, baby. Revive.
Overachiever, overachiever.
What we're going to do now is we're going to do duck walks, alright? So you're going to down, and
Go,
you're going
Rich.
to walk like a duck.
Rich,
Okay?
how's the day going?
We're going to walk
It's really good actually, having fun.
and then when you get to me,
These guys are pretty intense actually. He's pretty strong too.
let's go. Let's start with duck walks, no? Okay?
Ron,
Everyone.
how's the day?
Yeah, I like her. Tired.
No, walk like a duck. Walk like a duck.
How's the day? You enjoying it?
I make the duck sounds.
Having lunch, right?
Get the heart rate up, let's go. You guys want a six-pack with someone? Let's go. That's it.